in a pan and kind of giving them a slight color. Okay, you have to keep moving your coconut around, otherwise it will burn off. Okay, do you see the color changing? This is what you want your coconut at. So this is the color you want. It's light brownish. It is caramelized. So I'm just gonna take some hazelnuts and my coffee beans. And I just have to crush them down. So you can use a food processor or mixer grinder. Okay, it needs to become really small and tiny. You add that to your coconut mix. Okay, now we add the cocoa nibs to it. If you don't have this, you can go ahead and use some chopped chocolate. We add our chopped up dates, okay? The cocoa powder, try to use the premium quality cocoa powder. That's very important because we're not cooking this cocoa powder. Sea salt to taste, very little, just to enhance the sweetness of the entire dish because dates are naturally really sweet. So this is our filling. We just mix all of it together. Again, here if you want to add some spice powder, because if you like it, you can go ahead and do that. But just the natural flavor of chocolate, hazelnut and dates really go well. After you mix all of it, this is what your mix is going to look like. It needs to be fine, it needs to be in this sandy consistency for us to be able to fill it in. Now at this stage, if you don't want to add it to dates, you just make this. These are your date hazelnut laddus. Now you want to go a step ahead, you dip this in chocolate, coated it with chocolate and you have a dish ready. So that becomes your date hazelnut chocolate. For a little more premium product, we actually are going to stuff that in dates. So this is what the Majdul dates looks like. There is a seed inside and we're going to remove the top and the seed and then stuff it in. So you just make a small slit. You open it slightly. There is this seed that you remove and discard. And then with your mix, so this is what your date will look like. It's date stuffed with dates, but both the dates taste different. So when you will taste it, you will realize the inside filling tastes completely different than the outer date because these are two different varieties. Okay, now to make it more exciting, I have some gold work with me. It just adds a little bit more color and premium quality. It's really simple to use. You open it up, I have my date and I just coat it with the gold leaf. And this is what you get.